Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, I love you like I love cook food, and welcome back, besties. Today we are going to be unboxing some fragrances and some beauty. So if you're here for that, please continue to watch. On this channel, I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous, darling. So if that sounds like your vibe or your zhuzh, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Come over and say hi on Instagram. And of course, I want to hear from you. What are you rocking today? What is your scent of the day? Let's get into this unboxing. You guys, we did receive a fragrance from 7 Virtue. So thank you so much, 7 Virtue, for sending this over. This is a clean brand. It could be shopped at Sephora. I know I have one 7 Virtue in my collection, but which one it is, I don't know. This one is Vanilla Woods, and I don't think it's this one. I don't know, but I've heard amazing things about this fragrance, and I'm a vanilla lover, so we're going to spray it right now and see what it's giving. I know it's gonna have vanilla. I think it has some rose, amber. Oh, that's sweet. I like it. You smell the caramel right away. Vanilla, caramel, amber. This is really good. It's vanilla, it's sandalwood, it's caramel. It's definitely giving me nighttime, evening vibes, like cozy, comforting. I would sleep in this. Right off the bat, if I were to compartmentalize it, I mix it with a ton of other fragrances. I mean, it's a vanilla fragrance. You can use it to sweeten up just about any fragrance. It's a nice fragrance. It's not heavy. It's not a beast mode. It's not in your face. I don't get anything like that. Mind you, I'm just smelling it for the first time. I think, you guys, I could have this in my collection. I don't believe I do, but I know I have one by 7 Virtue. I don't know what it is. This is really good. I am happy to have it in my collection. I will be playing with it more. They also sent over another one called Coconut Sun. This is really good because it is vacation time right now. And you know, I'm living my best life because we're all outside. Let's see what it smells like. I have another strip here because yeah, I don't have any more. Oh, that's a nice atomizer. Look how wide that is. Oh my God, fresh, clean coconut. Oh my gosh. Sunflower, coconut. It's really good. Oh, it's kind of watery too. That's really good. What are the notes inside of here? Okay, coconut water, citrus, frangipani, salt water, or sea salt, Egyptian jasmine, rose and vanilla. This is beautiful. Okay, this is going on vacation. I have a oh God, girl. I'm spraying everything, you guys. I am spraying everything. Please. Oh, God. Why did I just spray that? It's good though. It's really good. This is definitely vacation in a bottle. I'm gonna say that too. This is not a tropical vacation in a bottle because I don't get very tropical vibes, but it definitely is coconut water. It's fresh, it's clean, it's like sea salt, it's kind of marine-like. Yeah, definitely this is a vacation fragrance. I'm gonna put this in my travel bag because I'll be packing soon. That's really, really good. Thank you so much, 7 Virtue, for sending this over. Odom Jane, thank you for sending this over. I believe it's Tanger. This is what the bottle looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like an orange with gradient going down to the bottom as it gets a little bit lighter. It's gorgeous, darling. Look at that atomizer. You can spray a little bit or you can spray a lot. Oh my God, wait a minute. Is this a fragrance or a hair oil? Ooh, why do I smell like I've smelled this somewhere in my life before? It's nostalgic. Definitely, it gave me a nostalgic memory. I've been there, done that before. Okay, let's see the notes. Ylang Ylang, Italian mandarin, bergamot, rose petal, wood of cashmere, neroli. Neroli has been in a lot of fragrances so far that I've been trying. Amber, Madagascar vanilla, and balsamic accords. This is different, but it smells familiar. Look at that pressure atomizer. Okay, it's so finely mist. Oh, I don't know though. I don't know. It's giving me nostalgic vibes. I don't know. It's definitely giving me like nostalgic vibes. I'll definitely need to play with this a little bit more. But thank you so much to the team over at Odom James for sending this over. I truly appreciate it. These are created in London, you guys. They have amazing fragrances. It's definitely off initial spray giving me like nostalgic vibes. Like, I've been there, done that before. You know, it doesn't give me right now. I don't get a summer vibe from it. I don't get a sexy vibe from it. I don't get anything like that. I just get like nostalgic. I don't even know where to compartmentalize it. Yeah. I'll need to play with that a little bit more. This was so pretty and wrapped so nice, and you know I love Mecca Leaf because they always make the packages look so amazing. So they did send this over. We are gonna unbox it together. I believe this is a hair mist, if I read it correctly, a hair mist. Yep, this is a hair mist. And it is, okay, it's scented hair mist. The bottle is kind of plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. It's not heavy at all. Plastic bottle right here. Let's take it off. All right, I might not be able to spray it anymore because I'm over here having a sneezing attack, but I believe this is the hair mist that smells just like Lang and Gold. This one, I believe this is the hair mist for that. If I could be making that up, you guys, but I think I'm telling the truth. It smells just like that. Immediately when I sprayed it, I thought about that. And do I need to be spraying this in case it makes the hair revert? Ooh. Anyways, it smells really good. Thank you so much to the team over at Make a Leaf for sending this over. You guys, they always send over amazing things. It looks like, I'm trying to see if it has alcohol in it. I can't tell. I need to find out if it has alcohol in it because you know alcohol will dry out your hair. So the notes inside of here are sandalwood, ylang ylang, coconut, and vanilla. It smells really good though. It definitely smells good. Definitely a little bit of a tropical vacation vibe as well. Thank you again to Make a Leaf. You guys, I think I have a discount code with Make a Leaf. So if I do, I'm gonna link it. That way you could check it out as well. What else did we get? I told you guys about the fragrance that we got from Commodity called Juice Raspberry. It's like raspberry liqueur, strawberry. It's rhubarb. This is so sticky. It's really good. I wore it out actually last night to dinner. We went out. This is a follow-up, and when you first spray it, and I sprayed it heavy, it lasts, but it wasn't like beast mode. It wasn't in your face. I didn't really smell it like 3-4 hours later. So I would say spray heavy, but it is a beautiful fragrance. I thoroughly enjoy it. I've already have a dent in here, and I've only had it about 2 weeks. So if you haven't tried it, try it. People were saying that they were getting samples. You can get samples and pick those up at Sephora, or you can go on Commodity's website. So again, thank you Commodity for sending this over. I told you guys, yes, I love makeup. We all know that. We've been talking about that lately. I received this long-lasting, what is it called? Long-lasting makeup setting spray from Urban Decay. I'm gonna be out all day today, so we definitely will be putting this to the test. It is with hyaluronic acid, watermelon fruit extract, long-lasting. This is to set your makeup and help it stay in place, and you're able to wear it all day. I wear the other one called Out All Nighter, the purple one, this one here. This is the one that I'm known for wearing all the time. I've been wearing it forever, but this new one here is supposed to have bouncy skin, all day hydration, and locks makeup in place for 16 hours. I will put it to the test and let you know. So far, you know, Urban Decay, that new face bond foundation that they have, that's absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried that, you need to. I have never tried this, so I might pack this in my travel bag and try it on vacation because I'll definitely be outside. Oh, and NARS. Oh my God. Okay, so if you watch my video back, I shop with Nordstrom and I picked up the NARS palette, the eyeshadow palette, or it's like the palette that has the face palette. I shared with you, I picked this up and I absolutely love it. This is your one and done. This is like everything you need all in one eyeshadow palette, from bronzer to highlighter to eyeshadow shades. Everything can get it done in this, right? Then when I came home and I looked through the mail, I was so excited because they sent one over as well. So I bought the first one and then they sent this one over. I'm probably gonna gift it to a bestie, or I might put it in my travel bag. But this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. NARS, thank you so much for sending this over. NARS is the OG. They have been around forever and they just know what they're doing. They get it right every time. The packaging is beautiful. It's perfect for that like sun-kissed vibe. That's exactly what the vibe of the palette is. I use this all the time. I'm actually wearing it today. These are the colors here. So you see there, you have a bronzer, you have more like a powder, you have some eyeshadow, you have some shimmer, and then you have some that are matte. So you could just mix and match it. I use this all over my face. It doesn't even matter. I put it where I want it to go. It's absolutely amazing. I love this. Love, 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 love. So yeah, if you're looking for an eyeshadow palette, a one and done, definitely check this out. They also sent over their eyeshadow sticks and I thought these would be fun. So I'm probably going to do a makeup video with those, but let's watch a few of them just to see what they're giving. These are the eyeshadow sticks here. I cannot wait to play with these. Of course, as soon as it came through, I had to look through and see if I seen a black one in here, and I did. So let's watch that one. This is what it looks like. So that's how it twists up and that's how they look here. And let's go ahead and just see how it glides. Did you see that? It was like butter. So that's how it's looking. I have so much oil on my hand, but that just glided up. A lot of times when I talk to people, they're always like, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to put on eyeshadow. I don't know. This is going to make it so much easier for you guys. Literally, you're going to take this stick, and I don't want to put it on because my makeup is already done. So this is a color here. You can see the color. And then what you're going to do is just put it on your eyeshadow, and it glides on like butter. That is so pretty. Do you see that? That color is so pretty. And then you can shear it out, you can tap it out, you can, drag it out. Do you see that? So it's so easy to apply. You don't even need a brush. You could apply it with your fingertips. It's just that easy. I can't wait to play with these. NARS, thank you so much for sending these over. There's 8 shades here that I have. I don't know if there's more, but I have 8 of them here. They're all like neutral colors, neutral tone. So I cannot wait to play with these, and I will be back and we'll do a demonstration. But I just wanted to say thank you to NARS for sending this over. Absolutely love those. And this eyeshadow palette, I already had it, bought it, loved it, told a friend about it, and I told the besties about it. So yeah. Oh, and Milk sent this over too. You guys already know. If you don't know, my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, that's what you use to prime your face, okay? Yes, it is really, really good. I have this already. These are fun to talk about because I've already been using this. Like, I bought this. I have this. I have this on my face today. I used it today. This is a Milk Hydro Grip. This is a primer. You want to put this on after your moisturizer or sunscreen, whatever order you do it in. This is Hydro Grip. You just put this in your hands, let it warm up a little bit. I put it in, I do it like this, and then I just tap it on my face, and then I go in with my foundation. It helps your pores, it helps to keep your makeup in place, it helps it to stay. So I love this. And then they also do, which I already have this as well. I have all this already, so this is really nice because this is stuff that I really use and I'm already, using and talking about. This is Grip Refresh Spray. So this right here is something, this too makes you look a little dewy. If you are an oily person, this probably would not be for you. I mean, for me, it makes me a little bit like dewy, and I love a dewy look. I don't like my makeup to look like I've been sucking on lemons, all dry and matte and cracked and ashy. I don't like that. I don't like that look. I want to be dewy, radiant, and like, oh my gosh, are you sweating or glowing? I'm doing both. How you doing? I'm one of those. So this right here for me is right up my alley. I love it. This is Grip Set Refresh Spray. Also, another way to use this too is if you've had your makeup on all day, what I'll do is I'll come in and I'll spray my face with this, and then I'll go in and touch up everything else, and then I'll go back in and spray it with the setting spray. So that's another way that I use this. Also, they sent over, I don't know what this is. I do not have this. Oh my God, is this blush? Work. Oh, this is a blush. Oh, that is a pretty pink. I like that. Look at that. It's like a pale nudie pink, or actually it's just like a pale pink. This right here is what you would put on your cheek. This is a blush. Really cute. This is something else that I'm taking on vacation because you could just put it up here. Okay, we're not really supposed to be... You already knew I was getting ready to put it on. So yeah, I'll be playing with this. Milk, thank you so much for sending this over. And then they also sent over this. What is this, mascara? Ooh, can never have too many mascaras. That's gonna coat all the lashes. Although I wear Fossies, I do still go in with mascara and make them come together. So yeah, and then I do use it for the bottom mascara as well. You always have to make that face when you do the bottom mascara. Wow, that's really nice. This is a jet black mascara as well. I quite like that. This is what it looks like. It's called Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Also, YSL, thank you so much for sending this over. They sent this over. This is myself. This is a male fragrance, but you already know what I say. Man, woman, boy, child, human, pull up and rock what makes you happy. I had my guy wear this to dinner the other night, and it was nice. I really didn't smell it on him too much. He didn't spray it extremely heavy, but when I smelled it, it was so good. I don't think he sprayed it heavy enough. So I would say if you are looking for something and you're a guy or you like me, more of a masculine type fragrance, definitely get a whiff of this. It's worth a whiff. It's really good. Bergamot citrus vibes. I talked about it before. I don't know what video you're going to see first, but I did a whole breakdown on it. Another thing I want to make mention of is this is a refillable bottle. If I can open it. Hello, girl. Yeah, this is refillable, so you can take it in and have it filled, or you could buy, I think there's like a little vial size and you can pour it in and have it refilled, so that way we are all about recycling. So that's really good. It is heavily weighted. You can pick it up by the cap. Again, thank you YSL for sending this over. That's it, you guys. I have got to go. I'm getting out of here. Make sure you have your post notification bells turned on. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram, and I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Everything that I spoke about today will be linked in the description box below. If I have any discount codes, those will be linked too. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.